Did you know that watermelon is more than just a refreshing summer snack? This juicy fruit is packed with over 92% water, making it an excellent source of hydration, crucial for kidney health and overall well-being. Rich in vitamins A and C and antioxidants like lycopene, watermelon supports kidney function and reduces oxidative stress on cells. Its natural diuretic properties help cleanse the kidneys, flushing out toxins and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Incorporating watermelon into your diet not only quenches thirst, but also enhances kidney function, providing a simple, natural remedy for maintaining optimal health.